Doge, Doge, Doggy, Doge.
Teen Wealth, Teen Wealth.
Hey guys, Teen Wealth here. Welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new, make sure to subscribe as I post finance videos every single week and it's free. If you want more of these videos and enjoy this kind of content, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And also in the end, I talk about whether Dogecoin is a good investment or not, so make sure to stay tuned. Let's get right into it. You might be wondering, is Dogecoin seriously a thing? Well, yes, it was created by Jackson Palmer, who is a product manager at Adobe. So he wanted to create a fun, instant payment system with no fees at all. But shortly after, software developer Billy Marcus actually reached out to Jackson Palmer about making Dogecoin an actual currency. So Dogecoin was officially launched on December 6, 2013, and within the first 30 minutes, there were over 1 million visitors on Doge.com. So are people actually investing in it? Well, on December 19th of 2013, Dogecoin actually jumped 300% of its value in 72 hours. Because Dogecoin is listed at a couple of cents, so it actually jumped from $0.00026 to $0.00095. Doesn't sound like a lot. This is because Dogecoin was listed as a cheaper end cryptocurrency in the first place. Billions of Dogecoins were being made every single day. So a lot of cryptocurrency was created during this time because China actually made this decision to forbid Chinese banks in investing and contributing to the Bitcoin economy. 3 days later, Bitcoin experienced its first major crash. The value of Bitcoin dropped 80% due to this event and large mining pools exploiting the small amount of computing power required at the time to mine Dogecoin. But as of lately, more buzz had been garnering because on TikTok, make sure to follow me, shameless plug, at teen.wealth, has been pushing for Dogecoin's price to go up to $1. But shortly after, unfortunately, on December 15th, 2013, which is a couple days after, there's a theft. This was actually the first theft on Dogecoin. Essentially, what happened was millions of coins were stolen on Doge Wallet, which is an online wallet platform. So the hacker actually gained access on the file system. He did his little coding to actually reroute all the money and all the coins onto a static address. So I'm assuming that's not traceable. So after this, there was a little bit of buzz. Tweets about Dogecoin actually spiked. It was the most mentioned altcoin on Twitter at the time, even though it was a sad, negative event. And to help those who lost funds on their Doge wallet after the breach, the Dogecoin community started an initiative. They came up with this campaign called Save Dogemas to help donate coins to those who had them stolen. And fortunately enough, 1 month later, enough money was raised to actually cover all the funds that were stolen, which is amazing. But unfortunately, because the hacker actually put it to a static address, we're not able to locate him, but at least everyone got their money back, so that's one thing, which is why prices have been increasing. And also the topic of Dogecoin has been kind of going viral because right now we know why all investments go viral: Reddit. So a lot of people have actually been talking on Reddit and talking on these Reddit forums and garnering more buzz through there. And the price of Dogecoin has also gone up because of encouragement from a lot of celebrities such as Elon Musk. Whatever he touches turns into gold, and also Snoop Dogg. Now, is it really a good investment tool? Most experts say no, but the market cap has increased as more people have actually garnered interest in this coin. And if you don't know what market cap is basically all the value of the coins put together and how much it could value. As I'm currently speaking, it costs approximately on the higher end of 8 cents, very close to 9 cents to buy it. And
Editing Sabrina here. I filmed that a long time ago, like maybe a week ago, because I pre-filmed my videos, but it's literally gone up to like almost 50 cents and it's 49 cents, so that's crazy.
And the cheap price is also what has garnered some buzz for people to buy in because pretty sure everyone has at least 8 cents. But many people expect Dogecoin's volatility, aka ability to grow, decrease as the market cap will just keep increasing and increasing. So there's just going to be more Dogecoin mined and created. But many people expect Dogecoin's volatility, aka ability to grow.
So my TikTok is teen.wealth. Make sure to follow me through there. I post obviously the same content, but it's just short form and also a little bit funnier.
Also, make sure to subscribe as I post finance videos every single week, and it's free. And I'll see you guys next time.